Good evening, everyone. Today, I just want to share how we can prepare an exam, a question paper on Google Form. Being a science teacher, I'm preparing a sample paper and showing the way what we can do during formation of a Google Form as an exam. So, first take a blank Google Form. Before starting, I used to change the theme. In theme, we put an header and I have prepared a header for me. We can upload that. Just see, it will give an exam look. So I can also want to change the color. So it's done. Now, before starting, go and change settings. There's a no need to collect email. Just I will uncheck this, but we need to limit to one response. So select this one and save the settings. Now title the form. I will give the title with my subject science class 8. From form description, I just want to write all questions are compulsory. The first question, I will write the name. It will automatically select the short answer and click this. It is a mandatory question. The next, I will make class because I have the two sections. So don't make it MCQ, make it drop down. Like for me, it's 8th A and 8th B. Make it mandatory question. Now the third is roll number. Okay, it will automatically select the respond validation has been added. Okay, so number, it should be a number, must be a number. Make it also a compulsory question. This is the section 1. Now add the section 2. For me, the section 2 is multiple choice question. Multiple choice questions. In the description, I want to write the marks. Question. Each question carry 2 marks. Now, when you are going to start the section 2, again, I want to make some change now. So go for settings for section 2. Now make it a quiz. The section 2 will become a quiz. Here, if you want to release the marks immediately after each submission, you can select it and the respondent can see missed question, correct question and point value. If you want to make this setting on, then save it. Now add the first question. What I do generally, if I have picture based question, then take a picture or upload a picture. Like I want to upload this picture. Okay, now my question is about the picture, so I will write the complete question here. In this activity, the a cup have seedling with soil and C B. So because it is a quiz, so now here's an option answer key. So at the answer key, when I will at the answer key, it will ask about the marks. I will give the 2 points and select the right answer and click that done. Okay, don't make it compulsory. I think it depend on you. Otherwise, it will become a problem for the students if he unable to answer. Now you can text the next question in the same way. But now I'm not doing that. I have added one question, sample question. This is what we have ready. If you want to see the preview of this, you can check the preview. It will be the way in which you can see the student will find. Here, if you once click at this untitled topic, it will automatically take the first session name. Now, before sending, you have to add collaborator. Now, if being a exam, I want to add the email of JNV Jafarpur Kala exam. Kala exam @gmail.com. Done. And now again go to the send option. You to do that before sharing with the student. This is what we have changed. You can change the presentation also. You can click the show progress bar. कितना exam हो गया है ये दिखाएगा. Shuffle the question and you can type a text a message like after completion of paper I want to write thanks your sum is completed. Just save the setting, whatever setting you change. So this is the time to send the link. You can shorten this link. You can copy this link. You can paste the link wherever you like. Thank you. Thanks for giving the time to listen me.